Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. We're going to be getting right to the next question, which is there a way to get SSA disability benefits before being found disabled? So there is this thing called presumptive disability, which you see often used for SSI-based supplemental security income benefits. What is presumptive disability? It is presumed that you are disabled, but because the paperwork takes a little bit of a while, it's so obvious that you are likely disabled that they're going to give it to you ahead of time, which is a really quick way of being found disabled that they don't use that often. And by and through this presumptive disability, they are essentially going and saying that it's almost a 100% sure thing that you will be found disabled. We're just going to go ahead and start paying you early. This is a good thing for a lot of people. However, in the extremely rare instance where basically somebody is then found not to be disabled, you owe the money back. But that's super duper rare and unlikely. So if you're wondering what presumptive disability is, it's a program where they actually it is a genuine program. So if you're thinking that the SSA is not very high tech, they have become very high tech. They have become very high tech because they have scanning programs that go through PDFs, your medical records, stuff like that, look for terms, and they basically assign which claims are more likely to be found disabled, which claims are not. And they use the system to try and fast track claims to just being found disabled to get them through the process. Those claims do fall into the presumptive disability category, which are those claims that they're going to go ahead and pay you early on. Now, is this a thing where they're like paying you the next day after you file? No, not even close. This means you filed, you're going through the process, and instead of it taking 6 months to get a check, it's taking 4 months to get a check. It's not like the end of the, it's not like that huge of a deal. And I understand a lot of people saying, they're like, I've been homeless and I'm homeless and da, 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 da. Most of those people have been homeless for like 2 years, They're like, I'm homeless, I need the money immediately, like right away. Realize that most impairments don't even fall into the categories that they use to give out presumptive disabilities. A classic one where they would give out a presumptive disability is a claim where the person is blind. There are provable ones with objective evidence that are pretty straightforward that they use for this presumptive disability program. And in that regard, yes, you can get your disability benefits early. But, just remember there is a small percent likelihood where you go ahead and have to owe them that money back if you are not found disabled thereafter. Or the famous one that I always see is basically where the person will go ahead and get a presumptive disability letter, start receiving benefits, then they'll change, once they get their benefits, their mailing address, never alert the SSA. The SSA will need some sort of document from them to finalize their official disability benefits, and then they won't get it because they have a different address, and then boom, they deny the claim because they didn't get the forms when they needed them, and then boom, you've got an overpayment. That happens all the time with those homeless-based presumptive disability claims. So just something to kind of keep in mind. Okay. So is there a way to get SSA disability benefits before being found disabled? Yes. Other than knowing the president and when Obama stepped in with some of his family members and just auto-approved it and poof, poof, poof. Other than having one of those, which was super a slap in the face to everybody else who has to go through the system. Other than that, presumptive disability is the only way that you can basically get one of those situations ahead of time. All right. My name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. If you have any questions, you want the most up-to-date information, that's fine. Shoot me an email or give me a call, and we will go from there. All right. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.